Hello guys! We're opening package today. Mingkay and me will open a package.
Well, Trey says he's skinny on
Yes,
thin
open
in
it.
the relationship.
Open it. How about the other side? It's a video, mommy. Why are you taking
Do you
video?
think that there is life on other planets? Do you think there's life on other planets?
Okay. Oh, I'm very helpful, guys. Look. Oh,
Tell me, do you think there is life
very
on other planets?
helpful. Come on,
Oh, I'm
mommy.
not
Let's
quite sure.
open this. Oops.
You think definitely. Have you seen this?
Oops.
Where?
I've seen a flying saucer.
You've seen one?
Yes, definitely. At Lane Cove.
I'm
Wait,
very
what was it,
helpful,
1953?
You
guys.
don't think this is
Look.
a figment of your imagination?
Several other people with me saw it.
You all have the same figment. What did he look like?
It was standing up there still.
Oh, careful! I'll cut your nose. Excuse. This way.
I'm
Yay!
very impatient, Mummy. Open it, otherwise I will bite it open.
Look, she bite. She bit.
Maybe lock the door and turn the lights down low.
Yes, it's open. Yes. Hi. Yes, here we are. This is our package.
Look, it's a look-alike.
And of course, guys, I'll get in the box. Yes, that's it. Look, I'm in the box. Look. That's it. Yes, this is what I'm waiting for mommy to open the box. Because I will use the box. Okay. Thinking how am I going to sit? Oops. Oops.